two Joy-Cons, they've got issues with them.
They've both got issues.
The issues are, we'll show you, I'll bring the camera in, but this one's got drifts upwards. Yeah.
And it's also been like mangled beyond belief. The joystick rubber coating's actually gone. So there's a couple of different problems with both of them.
Yeah, this one's a weird one.
Yeah, that one's got some serious problems.
I'll show you now, but you'll plug it in and it goes from full to dead to charging, full to dead to charging.
Yeah, it's sort of like a cycle, as if it's just not reading what's going on.
So what I'm thinking is replace the analog stick here.
Hopefully.
And I've got some spare batteries here from other switches, and I think we'll put a new battery in and see if that solves the problem.
Nice.
Yep. Right, let's get going.
Let's do it.
So let me just show you this one here with the battery problem. So already now you can see that the battery is nearly empty.
Move that on there.
Yeah, and now watch this. Let's plug it in. Now watch what it does. Look at that. Never seen that before. I mean, I like it, but I've never seen it before. So obviously it's not accepting the charge. Well, it is for a second, and it keeps changing. That's amazing.
At one point, it's literally going through all the different stages.
Yeah.
Like empty, medium, and then full. So which one is it?
But yet when we take it off, it is empty. I mean, I'm hoping it's a battery thing, but it might not be. Now let me show you the Joy-Con, the drift. Right, now if you look at that, you see it's drifting up. And if I go up, it will stay up.
Yeah, and that's not what you want.
So, moving it around. There you go. Right, so let's take this apart. I'm just going to be fast forwarding through the dismantling bit. So this is a battery. So what I'm going to do is, nice and simply, I'm just going to pop the battery out and then put another one in and see if it works. If it works, fantastic. If it doesn't, we'll have to look into it a little bit further.
It could be that, you know, something needs a clean from the pin perspective.
Could be the pins, yeah. Let's have
you
a
can
look
see
at
them there. Actually,
they look nice. Let's pop this in.
There you go.
That's it, perfect.
Here we go.
Let's pop it in.
Let's see what happens.
Zoom out a bit.
Hey!
Fantastic. So it's just a battery. Just a battery issue, isn't it?
So what do you reckon could be wrong with that then?
I don't know. I mean, I have
People
got.
will probably know in the comments.
We can try putting a charge into it. Maybe it's so depleted, it's struggling. Do you want to try and put a charge into it?
Maybe, yeah. How are you planning on doing that?
I've got a little tiny little board. Let's just see if this is. See what happens. Is it going to be getting a charge or not?
Oh yeah, good point. Oh yeah, because actually this is where the problem happened.
There we go.
Okay, no, it's all good. It's all good.
Yep. So what I've got here is a little TP4056. It's got two wires coming out of it. You can see I've got positive and negative. So I'm going to put the positive to the red and the negative to the black. Button here. Let's see what it's doing. So it's charging at 0.93 amp. Right, so what I've done is I've just put my multimeter across the leads going into the battery, and the voltage is slowly going up. So you see it says 4.165, and now in about, there you go, 6.6, and now again maybe in a few seconds, 7. So you can see the charge is going into it.
Do you know what it's meant to be at in total?
I have, what does it say there? Is it 3.7? Yeah, it's 3.7, so I bet you a fully charged one, would it be about 4.2? Something like that? Should we just get the multimeter on that?
Sure, let's go for it. In the meantime, I'll take apart the one that we just put together again. So we know that that battery that we put in this Joy-Con has fixed the problem, but it seems a shame to just sort of discard this battery without seeing if we can get it working by putting some battery into it, some charge into it, rather.
Yeah.
So I'll take this one apart.
Oh, well, there you go. Look, it's 3.9. So that says to me that this one is now charged. So let's pop it in. Let's see what's happening.
So this is the one that we just put in. If I just pull that out.
And clip this fella in. Just leave this. We can leave this loose. Let's just put it back on the switch like this.
Yep.
Is your switch on?
Oh, there we go. We're already on the right place as well. Look at that. It's almost like we've prepared for this video. Oh, wait. We need to put it in charge.
Let's have a look now. Right, press the button.
Oh, okay. So it might have just been because generally speaking, the condition of this Joy-Con is actually quite good.
It looks perfect,
you know, if you think that is actually quite a worn Joy-Con, it seemed weird for that one to be knackered.
So maybe, I mean, I'm still going to give Elliot this battery here, because obviously he lives quite far away. But I'm thinking now that this battery that we've just put the charge into is actually okay.
If we wiggle this battery,
give it a good wiggle,
because
just to make sure it's not a problem with the wires.
No, it doesn't seem to be doing it again.
No. Well, I'm happy with that one, but we will put this one back in. Right, we're going to put this one back together now, and then we're going to start on this one. Ready to take this one out now. You don't really have to dismantle much at all. You just need to pop the battery out, undo the 2 screws holding this part on, and then undo this ribbon cable here. Then you have access to the analog stick. It's held in with 2 screws here and here. So let's pop that out. Now you can get analog sticks very cheaply from eBay. They're kind of like a Chinese copy. They're not going to last as long as the original one, but they're still better than having, for example, stick drift.
Yeah, and better than having to pay 60 quid for a set of new Joy-Cons.
Yeah. But you know what? You can always try cleaning it first, because although it might not be a long-term fix, it's still gonna... I mean, for me, it has been successful in the past. So I think it is worth it. Together, but I haven't got the screws in. Already I can see a new problem, and that is the fact that there's no lights coming on it. So we need to look into that. But let's just see if we've got this thing fixed here. So now... and then... and right, so it's not drifting at the moment. Let's let go. Yeah.
Because before it was actually sort of lagging up there, wasn't it? It wasn't coming back down again. That looks pretty good to me.
Yeah.
Happy with that. Okay, so that's 2 problems now fixed, but we've uncovered another one, and that's that
so you're
meant to have a little light array going on down the side.
So let's take it apart again. Now we also want to swap it over to this.
Yep.
Because you want a switch with 2 blue ones, yeah?
Yep.
So while we're doing that, we'll have a look at the light and see maybe the ribbon cable's not been pushed in properly or something.
Nice, okay.
Right, so when I took that apart there, the light came back on. There you go. So look at it. Can you see it's coming and going? It looks like it's a problem with the crease here. So if you watch this now.
On the ribbon cable.
On the ribbon cable. Can you see I'm not sure if it's on the crease or where this joins here. But either way, it doesn't look like it's going to be repairable. But luckily, because I've gone through so many switches, I do actually have a spare one of these. So I'm going to pop it in there, and hopefully that will solve that problem. Yay, there we go. You can see now that the light is on. There we go. 2 blue Joy-Cons. How nice does that look? That must be the best colour combination.
Stunning.
And look at the batteries. Perfect. Well, what a nice, simple, easy video. Thanks so much, Elliot, for stopping on by.
I mean, I really didn't contribute to this video at all.
Well, you did. You did. You did that top little bit here.
Oh yeah.
You did that top bit.
I held a.
Yes. Yeah, and you.
Thank you very much for having me, Vince.
No, it's been a pleasure, mate.
It's been a lot of fun. You know, even off camera, it's nice for us to get together with 2 enthusiastic people and have a long chat. So
that's it.
Excellent, man.
And a relatively short video from my mate Vince as well.
I know. You guys
You're rubbing off on me. Yeah. Well, thanks so much for watching. Thumbs up. Take care. But hold on, one thing. Look, we've changed it to blue, but can you see here? It's still grey here because obviously the inside's still grey. That can be changed via software on the PC. Just Google it and you will find it. So it's bye from me and it's bye from Elliot.
Bye.
Take care. See you soon. Thanks. Bye now.